We all know nothing in life's for free, except the BMW Remote Software Upgrade. All you need is your BMW ID and a BMW, like this one. Let's get ready for the next level of infotainment, connectivity, driving safety, and comfort. The BMW Remote Software Upgrade doesn't only keep your car up to date, but proceeds with many new features and improvements. Let me put it this way. If you were offered a free upgrade for your next flight, you wouldn't think twice, right? Thank you very much indeed. The most obvious upgrades are the ones that also impress visually. Let me introduce you to 2 additional My modes on top of our existing ones. Relax. Or expressive. Because every mood needs its own mode. With the new upgrade, the communication with your car is even more expressive and dynamic. Just say, "Hey BMW, change your appearance."
Perfect. I really like this look.
Or maybe, "Hey BMW, I'm feeling hot."
No problem. I will reduce the temperature.
And the Intelligent Personal Assistant is going to make you feel more comfortable. One of the most electrifying upgrades is the BMW Maps Charging Optimized Route. The shortest way is not always the best, especially with electrified car models. Imagine you're planning to go to Rome. They say all roads lead to Rome, yet there is one that is best for you. Depending on your personal needs, traffic, and of course, effective management of battery charge, BMW Maps finds the most convenient and efficient way to your destination. Our journey doesn't end here. It's only just begun. The upgrades to the vehicle personalization features make the connection with the BMW ID, My BMW app, and your vehicle much more convenient and flexible. My mate Elliot, my brother, Mum, you can now connect up to 7 people's profiles with your BMW. Driving is always a matter of attention, but in some special situations, it's priceless to have a reliable backup. Like the front collision and exit warning. You can now use Alexa, almost like at home. Alexa, start the coffee machine.
Okay, your coffee will be ready in about 30 seconds.
Oh, brilliant. Thanks. This gives me a bit of time to check the BMW ConnectedDrive Store. With your remote software upgrade, you now have in-car access to additional features you didn't purchase ex-factory. Just add them flexibly whenever you need or want them. Who doesn't love upgrades? I'm already looking forward to the next. What about you? Get your BMW Remote Software Upgrade now, for free. Enjoy.